Today, I will read some of the good points which I learned from the book Poor Richard's Almanac. This is the book uh, wrote by Benjamin Franklin around late 1700. It is a must read book. Buy this book, please. Fish and visitors instinct after 3 days. A countryman between two lawyers is like a fish between two cats. Eat few suppers and you will need few medicines. There are three faithful friends: an old wife, an old dog, and ready money. The family of fools is ancient. He that can compose himself is wiser than he that composes books. Well done is better than well said. Keep conscience clear, then never fear. He then would live in peace and at ease, must not speak all he knows, not judge all he sees. The poor man must walk to get meat for his stomach, the rich man to get a stomach for his meat. The use of money is all the advantage there is in having money. Necessity never made a good bargain. Be slow in choosing a friend, slower in changing. Wealth is not his that has it, but his that enjoys it. Great talkers should be cropped, for they have no need of ears. Late children, early orphans. Visit your aunt, but not every day, and call at your brother, but not every night. As pride increases, fortune declines. Tricks and treachery are the practice of fools. They have not wit enough to be honest. There are lazy minds as well as lazy bodies. Eat to please thyself, but dress to please others. There is much difference between imitating a good man and counterfeiting him. He that has not got a wife is not yet a complete man. If you lose a troublesome visitor, lend him money. Who is strong? He that can conquer his bad habits. Industry, perseverance, and frugality make fortune yield. Content makes poor rich man. Discontent makes rich man poor. A man of knowledge like a rich soil feeds, if not a world of corn, a world of weeds. The poor have little, beggar none. The rich too much, enough not one. There are three things extremely hard: steel, a diamond, and to know oneself. Sin is not hurtful because it is forbidden, but it is forbidden because it is hurtful. Great beauty, great strength, and great riches are really and really of no great use. A right heart exceeds all. He is a fool that cannot conceal his wisdom. Those who are feared are hated. A true friend is the best possession. No gains without pains. A full belly is the mother of all evil. A soft tongue may strike hard. Fear God, and your enemies will fear you. If you would keep your secret from an enemy, tell it not to a friend. An undutiful daughter will prove an unmanageable wife. Great talkers, little doers. Eat to live, live not to eat. To lengthen the life, lessen thy meals. A good wife lost is God gift lost. Many a man thinks he is buying pleasure when he is really selling himself, a slave to it. He that never eats too much will never be lazy. An honest man will receive neither money nor praise that is not his due. Work as if you were to live 100 years. Pray as you were to die tomorrow.